I don't know, people do it. This like kind of stuff breaks out your face. Hey guys, it's Duraging, and today we will be attempting makeup for the first time. And when I mean makeup, I mean not just this, but these things. And I hope you enjoy the video. What I've always known is to clean your face. So we'll be using some rose water and this thing. I don't even remember what side. But this is just like, you don't even need to clean your face for makeup. The edges of your nose. Even though I just put it on, I took it off. I think that's done. What's next? First, other than that, would be like foundation. Okay, I think this is it. But when I'm done, I'm gonna be a boss like all those girls on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube. I'm gonna be better than them. Even I already am, but yeah. So you use this thing apparently, and you wipe. Then you put it on your face. Whoa. This is like my high school dean. She has so much flour on her face you couldn't even like tell her. It was that obvious. So like the camera is showing me from back to front. Like, you know how this would be my left, this would be my right. It's like the opposite. Kind of like what I'm seeing. I can't even do this. Whoa. When I'm done, I'm gonna be Snow White because it's so light. I don't know if I'm using the wrong color. This hair is in the way. I think it's good. And then you wouldn't even know it's me. This thing is itching. Looking good, girl. Next would be I don't even know the name of these things. Next would be okay, this is
2,000 years later.
This is for your cheeks. I don't know, I'm assuming. We go with that rosy pink. Looking on the wrong side. This is supposed to be the blush. Oh, we didn't even go to the eyes yet. So for the eyes, I will be using okay, I will be using this kawaii. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Look how that looks. This is hard. Next, we are going to go with this. Where's that? Yes, girlfriend. Next, I am going to next I am going to, I don't know what people like want to do their eyebrows. I rather not. Next, lipstick. Good, it's too much. This is like as bright as those girls that want attention online. So we mastered a lot. Oh, it burns. My lip burns. This is a no-no. This is makeup. My lip is burning. This is horrible. Wow. Well, I mastered this, I mastered that, I mastered somebody help. Oh. Well, I mastered this part. I don't know about here. So I reduced my light and I don't know if you can see it clear, but I'm gonna get it on my phone so you all can see. This is what I look like on phone. I look like a hot mess. I don't know, I should ask people. This is something else. Like this is a failure. Put in a little kawaii touch. Kawaii! Okay, so I was just told by Gamer Kelly that this doesn't look good. Anyways guys, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. And please rate this. I'm gonna be putting up pictures at the end of the video, so please tell me like your favorites. Anyways, pieces. All you people that using makeup to look good, I don't need makeup to look good. This makes me look worse. Jeez, it's still there. I don't know, people do it, this like kind of stuff breaks out your face. Then you have to scrub hard and then get like little buttons and stuff. Really? Lord have mercy. Oh. I'm done with this.